Today we're here at my wood shop and we bought this small can of paint because we do a lot of rustic, small touch-ups and little projects, and we didn't want to buy a whole gallon. So we're gonna use this to show something that you could do at home. We do it professionally, but you could do it at home. And they got different colors and varieties of this. I just got the perfect project for it. ¿Para qué crees que la voy a usar?
¿Para qué?
We'll go do that. This is a perfect combination for small and large projects. So we're just making a sample to see if we like the color. And basically we're gonna use this for a little bigger project. But it's perfect. It dries really quick. Barely been like a minute and it's already drying, as you see. A really nice flat black matte finish. And always remember safety, and so you don't get your hands dirty, wear gloves.